Tutorial will serve as a guide for college students about the online registration system of Northern Luzon Adventist College. For you to access this page, you may visit the school's website at nlac.edu.ph and look for the link for the online registration for the college, or you may look for that link in the school's official Facebook page. Once you access this page, you are now ready to apply for admission. All college students, whether you are new student, transferee, or old students, you are all required to apply for admission. But before you do, it is recommended that you view the admission requirements first by clicking on the View Admission Requirements button. From there, you could be able to see the requirements that you need to submit later on in an image format. Once you are done viewing the requirements, you may close this dialog using the X button or the close button below. Now, we are ready to apply for admission. To do that, we click Apply Here link. And then you are required to enter necessary information for your admission. Like last name, let's say Perez. First name, example, Maria. And then middle name. If you don't have a middle name, you may leave this blank. If you have a middle name, you type, of course, your middle name. And then your nationality, if you're not a Filipino student, you may remove this one and change it with your nationality. And then select your course, example, information technology. But if you wish for secondary education, you have to select your major, example, mathematics. And then email address. It is important that you enter a working and correct email address because it is through this email that the school will communicate with you. It is the same thing with your contact number. Okay? Don't forget to enter the CAPTCHA that you see on the screen for you to be able to complete this process. If you are done, you just click the Submit button. This is the upload page where you need to upload the requirements that is asked of you. Now, if you happen to forget these requirements, you may go back by clicking the View Admission Requirements button. Okay? And then you could be able to see these requirements that you need to upload depending on what category of student you are. Okay? Take a picture of this document and upload it in our upload page. Now, if you're ready to upload, you choose File button. Then locate for the requirements in your device or in your computer. For example, birth certificate. And then you click Upload button. Okay? Let's do it again. Choose File. Select the file that you need to upload. Click the Upload button. Now, if you are done uploading all these necessary requirements, you just click the click here button. Okay? There. Take time to read this page because it is important that you take note what is written here, especially your email address that you have registered and the password that is assigned to you. This password is necessary, or an email address is necessary for you to log in. Okay, you will use this as your login account for you to go back and monitor your admission, application for admission. Alright? Once you have taken note, copied, or captured this information, you click on OK button. Then in this page, you could go back by using the email address that you have entered a while ago and the password that is given to you. Okay, and it will redirect you to the upload page where you have to complete your uploads if you have not completed. If you have completed it, click here again. Alright, now if your application for admission is already approved by the registrar, instead of this page, you will receive a notification stating that your application is approved. And you could now proceed to the registration proper, which will start on July 1, 2020.